The waterproofing material, the underlayment, the types of vents, how many vents. We talk about the truss members in the attic, if we see any split trusses. There's the decking material. So there's a lot that goes into that inspection.
Hey guys, it's Andrew and Jake back with another episode of Ask Five Guys. We are on episode 3 and we are going to be talking about roof inspections today. Let's get it started. Pretty common question among all the other questions that we've been receiving is what is included in a 17-point roof inspection and why does it cost $49? A lot of roofing companies offer free estimates, and what really sets us apart that leads us to charge $49?
I think it's a real important question. The difference, to know the difference between a roof inspection and a free estimate. So that's the easiest way for me to wrap my head around it, is to separate the two. The 17-point inspection and the 17 points. So we have listed out in our inspection report. We're talking about, what the type of covering material is, what the waterproofing material, the underlayment, the types of vents, how many vents. We talk about the truss members in the attic, if we see any split trusses. There's the decking material. So there's a lot that goes into that inspection. When you're talking about a free estimate, and most of the roofing companies in the Valley offer free estimates. But if you want to call us and say, hey, look, I got a competitive bid. They're saying a 10 by 10 area for a tile reset. It's a common repair. We have a straightforward price for that. So I'm going to give you the price for free, what we would charge for that. Now, what that's not going to provide is the diagnostic of the whole roof system. The actual inspection is a 17-point inspection. It's basically a roof diagnostic fee. So when you're taking your car and you get it diagnosed, or you actually go in there and get the diagnostic done, you get a printout of all XYZ, all these different items, what's in good, bad, terrible condition.
Right, the line item. The
line items, right? You get this laundry list. With the 17-point inspection, we are covering literally your whole envelope, your whole roof system, from the outside vents to the inside attic. So from there, we can determine if there's more going on than just the surface stuff.
So in this inspection report, are we getting photos or videos? What are we looking at there?
Yeah, so every time that we're on site, we're going to provide a written report that includes photos. Most of the time we are providing live video. We're going to send you a video update of what we're inspecting while we're on the roof. Our roof specialist will take a video and talk through when they have some tiles up or some areas above the leaking area or the vulnerable spots. We're going to show you, talk you through it, and then send that to you, complete the rest of our report. So by the time we're down on the ground, you've already seen what we're seeing up there, and we're on the same page.
Cool.
Well, most of our guys will hop back in the truck. They'll put together a report, a couple estimates, a couple different options, and then they'll present that to you so you can walk through and ask any questions you have at that point.
Maintenance, roof inspections, and monsoons. Those are 3 topics that we've touched on these past couple of weeks. This wraps it up for episode 3. Thank you for joining us, Jake.
Absolutely.
Had a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. Love talking roofs. Love answering questions. Please keep sending them in.
Keep sending them.
Yep.
We're getting a lot of great questions, and you can send them via Facebook or Instagram, personal messaging, or DMs, whatever you want to call it. We're going to answer your questions, get answers from the experts every Friday.
Awesome. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks, guys.